If only they knew how bad they about to get dead and dominated on this field today. It's gonna be one color that you remember, and it's that sissy blue.
Hey man, perfect day out in the ball. We're about to get that dub. That's all that matters.
It's only right that the current 10 falls out for the retired 10.
What on both on right there?
Looking good. 10 out of 10. Dime time.
So play for the guy next to you, man. How hard can we play? How bad do we want it? How bad do we want to go get a win? All right?
Those are plays y'all need to make. Y'all got to be able to make those plays.
Be smart. Don't let any of the no pre-snap penalties.
Let's go, boy! Let's go, boy!
All right, keep our composure, go play. All right, you're up next series.
I told you before the game I was gonna get one.
Let's go. Nice stop. Great job. Great job, man. Awesome.
Let's go!
Let's go! 92, coach!
Send them home sad again. This is a repeated effect. Party in the silk, baby.